So here we are at White Lightning Harley Davidson. We are about to start one of the first hog rides of the season. We got everybody lining up over here, getting ready to go. Eric's up front. So what are we going to be talking about on this ride? We are going to be talking about motorcycles, why people love them, and why people hate them. So stick around. We'll be going in just a minute. All right, guys, let's talk about motorcycles, why people love them and why people hate them. I think one of the reasons that people love motorcycles, at least with me, is that you are alone, yet you are part of a group. So I'll say that again. You are on your own, yet you are part of a group. And what I mean by that is just like today, we're out riding around, you know, we're on our own, meaning you're on your own motorcycle, you're kind of to yourself for the most part, yet you're a part of a group. Like right behind me in my rear view mirror, I could probably see 20 or 30 different motorcycles. So we're all riding together as a group, yet we're made up of individuals and we can go anywhere. And I think it's just a great analogy of the motorcycle community, how just about everybody bonds together and is friendly and likes one another and pulls for one another and helps one another. And that's one of the great things that I love about motorcycles, is for somebody like myself, you can be as introverted as you want to be and still socialize with others, and I absolutely love that. Now I think this is a great love-hate topic, and here's one of the things. Motorcycles are loud, right? I mean, most motorcycles are loud. The motorcycle that I'm on right now, this Harley Davidson Sportster S, isn't really loud, but most of them are loud. And a lot of people don't like that. Now I know with me, with my Street Glide, I've got a great set of exhaust on that bike. I've got some Reinhardts, and it really makes a lot of noise. Now nothing that's absolutely unbearable or that I can't stand, but anyway, it provides just enough bass and rumble, and that's really what I'm looking for, is kind of that great sound, that bass, that rumble. And some people just don't like that. Consider it noise pollution or whatever, you know, some old biddies might complain about and that type of thing, some neighborhoods and whatnot. But yeah, I love that about motorcycles for sure. Woo! What a beautiful day today. I will tell you what, just about every time I've taken this Sportster S out, I have been freezing, and today it is beautiful, and there was no way that I was going to waste this day. So I would like to ask you, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would just do that, it would absolutely make my day. And then let me know about that in the comments below. Please hit that like button too. You are definitely going to be helping out the channel by doing that for me. Thank you very, very much. One of the things that has always drawn me to riding motorcycles is that sense of adventure and, you know, romantic expression almost. You know what I mean? It's like, you know, the being out on the open road. We've all heard those sayings, right? Being on the open road, the wind in your hair, just me and my motorcycle on the freeway, those type of things. But here's something that I wanted to interject about those particular sayings, is that they're true. They're true. There's really nothing like being out on your motorcycle on the open road. You know, Eric and I, when we were over back at the dealership, you know, we're going to be doing some riding again tomorrow, and we were just like, okay, where do you want to go? What do you want to do? You want to ride all day? Heck yeah, we want to ride all day. And so, you know, we're probably going to set off tomorrow morning and not have an exact location of where we're going to go. We have an idea, but we're going to see where the road takes us. We're going to see, you know, what restaurants we end up at, you know, the time of day we leave and time of day we get back and all those things. We're just going to take our time and we're going to hit the road and we're going to enjoy ourselves. And that is one of the things I love about motorcycles. I mean, I guess you could get the same type of thing in a car, you know, I guess you could, but there's something about being on the open road, being exposed to nature and the elements, and being able to see your surroundings just kind of fly by and smell the, you know, sometimes you can smell the flowers in the air. Sometimes you can smell a cow pasture when you go by. You really are in the environment. You're not closed in some type of capsule. And there is something that is absolutely and totally just wonderful and romantic about that, if I could use that word. Now, some people may disagree with this. I know art is one of those things that is highly subjective. Some people think that one particular piece of art is beautiful, others think it's hideous. And I guess it's the same thing with motorcycles. You know, I would consider some motorcycles are just absolutely beautiful. I mean, just works of art. You have some of these motorcycle builders that pour their time, energy, and effort, and, you know, hard-earned dollars into their motorcycles. And I'm talking about, you know, regular people like me and you, and then people who specialize in one-of-a-kind custom motorcycles. And some of them are just absolutely gorgeous, and they're beautiful. And you know, I love that about motorcycles. There are some automobiles, don't get me wrong, that I think are beautiful. My father-in-law, you know, loves automobiles, and he has some in his garage that are gorgeous and beautiful. But there's something to me about a motorcycle that just stands out and really captures the imagination, captures the heart. Again, a sense of adventure. All those type of things are just really important to me, and I love that about riding motorcycling. Now, I also get that not everybody is that way. You know, not everybody is that way and thinks motorcycles are beautiful, but you know what? They should. Let's just be honest with each other. They should. Now, I touched on this a little bit ago, both of these points. I'm going to kind of lump these together. And that's the motorcycle community is just outstanding. And I'm talking about my dealership experience at White Lightning. I'm talking about my HOG group experience from White Lightning. And I'm talking about the motovlog community and the YouTube community as well. It has just been an awesome experience, and in some ways it's been a very intimate experience. And you know, I've been able to open up to a lot of my subscribers in my videos and bring you into my home and bring you into my thought life and that type of thing, and introduce you to my loved ones and my dogs and my wife and that type of thing. So motorcycling can be such a wonderful experience with the community and with friends and all those type of things. Quite honestly, I've not really experienced anything like that before. Maybe one other time in my life, but it's so rare. It is so rare. It is really a once in a lifetime thing. So if you've got a motorcycle community of people around you that care about you and love you and that are just wonderful people, man, you should really hang on to that and do all you can to preserve and nurture those type of things. Well, I'll tell you what, for the rest of the ride, I'm just going to kick back and enjoy myself and enjoy this beautiful day riding around on my 2021 Sportster S. I really do appreciate your time. I hope you guys have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.